shine. It's a beautiful morning. Everybody's still sleeping. Well, they're all starting to get up, but I got up early, came out in the shop, and finished a few things in here I wanted to do. I'm in the middle of starting a few new projects, and I'll do videos on them too. But wanted to finish a few things before.
Who is this nut?
So yeah, so it's Friday. I got home. When did I get home from my trip? I went up to California back. I'm a truck driver. I don't know. You all know that, most of you.
What a goof.
Back, I don't know if this is Friday. When did I get back? I lose track of that.
Okay, you need to stop talking for a while. Do you ever stop talking? I don't think he ever stops talking. Hey y'all, it's me, Marty. Welcome to another video. I decided to show you a quick little project I made here. I've been wanting to do this for a while, and I think it's really cool, and it turned out pretty cool. It's not actually completely finished, but close enough to do a video. And I'm running out of heat, so I turned the heater off, and yeah, I gotta go in the house and warm up. This is my third video of the day, so hope you're enjoying them. Wanted to show you this, and I need to first of all give the credit to WhosTheVoss, with a V, WhosTheVoss. Go check out his channel. I forgot his name. I just started watching his channel the last couple of months. Super guy, great channel, wonderful videos, just really fun. He's got a cool sense of humor. He does really good projects. He's really good at doing the videos and doing how-to videos and lots of tips and techniques and lots of great woodworking projects. Go check him out. WhosTheVoss. He did a video the other day making a retro TV cell phone stand. And I seen it, I watched the video, and I gotta, when I get home, I gotta try it. And so I made one, and pretty simple, easy project. And again, like I always say, I like to take ideas and just kind of tweak them and make them my own, and it doesn't have to be perfect and exactly like everybody else does. Yeah, it's cold in here. Is it cold enough for you? Minnesota? Yeah, sure, you betcha. It's cold. Anyway, I'm gonna do this video so I can go in and warm up. I like to make mine unique and different. So he basically, and you can go watch his video if you want to know how to make it. He's got plans too that you can download. I think they're free, so you can check him out. WhosTheVoss. I want to give him all the credit because he's the one who did it. I thought about making these in the past, but I just didn't get around to it, and then seen his video. But I just kind of made up my own pattern, and I'm simple. I made mine really simple, and I'll show you. So basically what this is, it looks like an old retro classic TV. You know, the big ones that were made out of wood, big huge console ones. I grew up in the 70s and the 80s, and that's what the TVs were back then, and even older. Big, huge, bulky things with big laminated wood look box frame. And you had dials on it, you had to turn it, and they had an antenna on the top and stuff, and that's what it's supposed to look like. But it holds a cell phone. Now, I have my wife's cell phone in here because y'all know I do all my videos with my cell phone. So it's on the tripod, so I couldn't have it in here and have it there. It can't be two places at once. Just like me, I can't be two places at once. But technically I am right now because I'm doing the video and I'm also on here. So technology, you gotta love it. Anyway, simple little thing. It's a kind of a neat way to hold your cell phone. It's a stand, but it's like an old TV. Okay, and it's basically just three pieces. Okay, and this is glued up and sanded. It's not completely finished. I got to sand it some more, and then I'm going to put a clear coat on it. But it's basically just three pieces. Okay, the front piece, it's a square with the legs on it, and then it's cut out so you can see your phone, see the TV. Then there's a middle piece. Okay, and that one's pretty much the same shape, but it's a slot that goes all the way out so you can slide your phone in there, okay? And then the back side is just solid. Now, the way he made his on WhosTheVoss, he made his with a hole in the back, kind of like for ventilation, I guess, but you don't really need that, I don't think. I didn't do that on mine. And yeah, then you just glue it all up. I just made some legs. I put a couple of knobs on there. I actually was looking in my hardware and craft supplies area here. I have lots of wood knobs and different things. You can do anything you want. Again, just be creative and make it your own. I had some little corks, and that's what I used. So I put 2 channel knobs and a couple other knobs on the bottom. I don't remember all the knobs that we had on those old TVs. There was let's see, it was a channel. Some of the channels that we had when I was younger, we had 2, 4, 5, 9, and 11. That's it. And then there was another channel for VHF and UHF. It was like 29 and 41. There was a couple of cable channels. It's weird. And then you had some other tuning knobs and the screen and the contrast. It was weird. Boy, old school. Yeah, it brings back memories. But yeah.
Was it Monday? Monday or Tuesday? I don't know. Anywho.
Is that cool or what? It's a little TV. And you put your cell phone in there so that you can watch it. It's like watching it on a little TV.
I love being home. I really do. And
this guy's really a nut.
Someday, but, yeah.
So now let's see if I can get it in here, because my wife's case was a little tighter. Okay, yeah, I came out. And that's how it works. Really simple. Again, I still got to do some more sanding on this, and then I'm going to put a clear coat on it. But really cool, fun little project. And it's simple, y'all. It doesn't have to be complicated. Now, you can get as fancy as you want with this, or you can just do it simple. So what I did, y'all know I like to make my hardboard templates. I just made a template here. And what's really cool about this is it's one template for all three pieces. Really, because that's the front, right? Okay, so you can use this to trace your front. For the middle piece, is all you got to do is use the same pattern, but just continue this cut straight across here so that it's a slot to slide the phone in. Okay, for the back piece, the third piece, just don't cut the hole out. Just make it solid. That makes sense? So again, it's three pieces. Okay, and I made mine all just 3/4 because that's what I had. You could make it thinner. You could make the front part thinner, like 1/4 inch wood, because then the screen would be closer to the front. Mine's a little deep, but it works. But so yeah, the front piece is got the legs and has a cutout for the screen. The middle piece has a cutout, but all the way through, so you can slide the phone through. The back piece is solid. You can kind of see how I did that. It's not perfect. Don't look too close. I just cut all three pieces. Tried to be accurate. I made it on my scroll saw. I do everything on my scroll saw. And I just glued them up, clamped it. I had like 12 clamps on this. Spring clamps, you know. Boy, you can never have enough of them. I got to get more, actually. But it worked good. I glued it up, clamped it, and then I just glued on some little corks for the little knobs. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a little rabbit ear. Antenna and put on here, to make it really nostalgic and retro. So kind of cool. Put it in here again. And you got it. So here's the thing. I made a pattern here, and my wife and I, both of our phones are Samsung Galaxy 10s, I think. Pretty much have the same cases. They're OtterBoxes. So, oh, I just accidentally turned the volume down when I pushed it through, I think. Oh, hold on a second.
I just enjoy coming out in the shop and doing stuff, whether it's just putzing, drinking coffee and eating pistachios, reading my new scroll saw magazine.
What a putz! He's such a putz.
Reorganizing, creating things, planning things, making things. It's just fun. I really enjoy having a workshop. So yeah, a lot of.
Kind of cool.
Did you know you can generate an endless supply of clean, drinkable water?
No, we don't want commercials. We don't want ads. Anyway, quick little video here. Take it out here again, of a retro TV, classic TV, the old style, big, huge box TVs, cell phone stand, and you can watch videos in it. So cool. Now there's a couple things you think outside the box, y'all. Really, I'm gonna actually do a couple more things. So I'm gonna put an antenna on here. Then what I'm gonna try, I don't know if it'll work, but I'm in the middle one, the middle board. I'm going to cut a hole here, and I'm going to see right where the speaker is. It might work as an amplifier. You've seen people make the little cell phone amplifier speaker things. It might work for that. So I'm going to try that, and then that would really be cool. Also, what you could do is drill another hole on the end there, so you can actually have your phone charging. You could have it plugged in to a charger too. So that'd be cool, or plugged into a power bank or something. All kinds of options. I did this out of mahogany, because that kind of is what a lot of those older box retro classic TVs were, the mahogany kind of look or whatever. So yeah, I'm going to do some more on this, and maybe I'll do another video when it's all completely finished. But Just wanted to show you this. Just kind of a fun project. Again, I give the credit to WhosTheVoss. He made it the other day, so go watch his channel. He's got lots of great videos. I've been thinking about doing something like this for a while. And that's what's kind of cool. You can take as far as cell phone stands or speakers or holders or whatever, you can make any shape and put them in, and it's just kind of cool. This one's a neat one because, you know, it's a TV, so it looks like you're watching a little mini TV. And again, simple pattern, y'all. You can screenshot this if you want. Again, everybody asks me about my patterns. I don't really know how to put them on here, and a lot of my patterns, I don't even know where I get them. Most of them I make up. A lot of them I make up. So you can just screenshot this if you want and give it a try. Make up your own. Be creative, y'all. Anyway, this fun little project. Anyway, I wanted to share it. Hope you're all doing well, and we'll see you on the next video.